Hello friends, today I will tell you how to apply for USA tourist visa, that is B1 B2 visa. At the time of the interview, applicants must bring the following to the embassy: a passport that is valid for at least 6 months and has at least one blank visa page, previous passports if available, DS-160 online application confirmation page, which I will show you later in this video how to fill the DS-160 online application and how to get the confirmation page. Second is one photograph. Photo must be 5 into 5 centimeter or 2 inch into 2 inch in white background. For more information on photograph, you can go to the US Embassy website of your country and you can get more details. But this is the main thing: the photo must be 5 into 5 centimeter in a white background. Now, visa fees payment confirmation page, which I will also show you later in the video how to pay the visa fees and get the confirmation page in your email. And last is supporting documents with your visa application. So let's see what are the supporting documents for the visa application. First is bank statements for the last 3 months, letter from your employer stating position, start date and salary. Both letters can be same. Letter from your employer establishing purpose of your travel. Any property papers: if you own any property, show the photocopy of the sale deed. If you have children, show proof that they are studying in any school. This will show tie to your resident country or your home country, and it will show to the embassy that you will come back after spending your time in the US. Now, the best thing with US visa is you don't need to show flight tickets with your visa application, and you don't need to show any hotel booking with your visa application. So now, how to fill the DS-160 form online? For that, you need to type in your address bar https://ceac.state.gov/genniv. You can find this link in the video description. Just copy and paste in your address bar, and then I will tell you how to fill this DS-160 form online. So this is the page which I told you. This is the page for DS-160, and how to fill this form I will tell you. First is select a location where you will be applying for this visa. So I will select India, New Delhi. It will load. Okay, we got change. From here you can change the language. I will select English. If you like other language, you can select from here. Okay, now enter the code as shown. So enter the code here. Done. Now start an application. Okay, now this is your application ID. You can take screenshot, or you can write somewhere this application ID, because later you will need this to retrieve your application. Now there is a security question. You can select any of the security question later to retrieve your application. So let's take any question. So what's the oldest sibling's middle name? Let's take it ABC example and make it continue. Okay, so this is the first page. You can see the application ID is coming here. Now surname, write your surname. Then given name. These are all hypothetical. I'm only writing this to make you understand. Full name in native alphabet. No need to do anything, leave it. Have you ever used other name? This is for ladies, as I said. If they get married, their surname get changed. So if you have ever used other name, so you can tick yes. For me, I will click here no. Do you have a tele code that represents your name? No. Sex male. Marital status, if you are married or divorced, whatever it is, select from here. I will select married. Now date of birth, this is in day, month, and year format. Select the date, city, New Delhi, state is Delhi, and country is India. Okay, now you can save your data here. Name, full name is native alphabet, has not been completed. So you click here, does not apply. Then save. Continue application. Now next, personal. Now country, region of origin, nationality. Nationality is Indian, India. Do you hold or have you held any nationality other than the one indicated above on nationality? No. If you held any other nationality, click yes and give details. Are you a permanent resident of the country, region other than your country, region of origin, nationality indicated above? I will make it yes. If you are living outside of your outside of the country, suppose you have Indian passport and you are living in Dubai or any other country, then you have to click here yes. Are you a permanent resident other than the region? So I will click here no. If you are living outside, you can make it yes. So national identification number, if you have national identification number like the Aadhaar card number in India, you can put your number here. US taxpayer ID number, this does not apply, click here, does not apply. US social security number, click does not apply. Next. Now this is the home address. Okay, so I will write the home address here. Delhi, state is Delhi, PIN code is 11005, country is India. Is your mailing address the same as your home address? If it is different, you have to click accordingly. So my mailing address, it is same as the home address, so I will click here yes. Now your primary phone number, whatever is your phone number, you give your phone number. Secondary phone number, if you have, write here, otherwise make does not apply. Work phone number, if you have, write, otherwise does not apply. Now email address, here be very cautious. Your email address should be correct because you will receive everything on your email address. So I will write my email address here. Now next, passport. Okay, street address is invalid. Okay, street address to write this only street, no name, so put street number 11, and here I will amend this. RZ 31/A. New Delhi. Okay, let's try again. Next, passport. Again, there is an error. Please correct all areas indicated and save. Street address line 2 is invalid. Only the following characters are invalid in this field. Okay. Let's remove the comma from here. Let's try again. Next. This is optional. This remove this. Just write your address there. Make next. Okay, passport, travel document. We have a regular passport, passport number, whatever your passport number is right here. Passport book number, if you have passport book number right. In India, it does not apply. Make it does not apply. Country authority that issued your passport travel document is India. Where was this passport travel document issued? City is New Delhi. You write your own city. This information are given in your passport. State province is Delhi. Region India. Issuance date. Write your issuance date here. 2024. Have you ever lost a passport or had one stolen? If you have, make yes, otherwise make no. Next. Oh, sorry, this should be 2024. Then travel. Okay. Purpose of trip to the US. Please select a visa class. You will select here B1, B2. It should be temporary business pleasure visitor. This is the category B. Specify you are going for tourism or business purpose, tourism or medical, business conference. Select B2 here. Have you made a specific travel plan? If you have a specific travel plan, make yes, otherwise no. So I don't have any specific travel plan. I will click no. So now it's asking for intended date of travel. This is intended date, whatever you are thinking in which month you want to go, just write the date, just intended date. So I will give here 1st September 2017. Intended length of stay in the US. Select in year, month, week, days. Select days. Suppose I select days and I click here 10 days. Okay. Now address where you will stay in the US. Now, as I told before, no hotel booking is required for a US visa, but still you need this information. You need to write some address here where you will be staying in US. So just hypothetically book some hotel with free cancellation and write that address here. So I will write here a hypothetical hotel ABC. Will not take the name street. Suppose street is 29. Street address is Jackson Heights. City is New York. State is New York. And zip code, if you know, then write. Person, entity paying for your trip. This is who is paying for your trip. Self, other person, other company, organization. I will click here self. Now next, travel companion. So are there other persons traveling with you? If you are traveling with your children, your mother, your father, or you with your wife, select yes. Otherwise, if you are only traveling alone, click here no. So are there other persons traveling with you? I am traveling alone. I will click here no. Next, US his travel. Have you ever been to US? You will tick these things accordingly. Have you ever been to US? I have never been to US. No. Have you ever been issued a US visa? For me, no. Have you ever been refused a US visa or been refused admission to the United States or withdrawn from application for admission at the port of entry? No. Has anyone ever filed an immigrant petition on your behalf with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service? No. Again, I'm telling you, you have to fill this accordingly. Don't fill no. Now, contact person or organization in the United States. If you know somebody in the United States, write his surname and given name. If you don't know anybody, just click here do not know. Organization name. If you know somebody, some organization there, write their name. If you don't know, write do not know. Let's make next. Let's click here do not know. So you cannot make both of them do not know. So organization name, write the name of the hotel which you booked. Hotel ABC. Relationship to you, relative, spouse, friend, business associate. Write business associate. It's asking for address, just let us tick others. Still it is asking for the US address, so you just write the address of the hotel, or let's click here do not apply. Just write the email address of the hotel. State New York. Zip code don't know. Phone number of the hotel. Next, family. So father's full name and date of birth. If you know, write. If you don't know, click here don't know. Let's give a name, date of birth. If you know, click. I'll click here do not know. Mother's full name. Date of birth. Again, if you know the date of birth, write. Otherwise, make do not know. Now, is your father in the US? Yes or no? Tick accordingly. Is your mother in the US? Yes or no? Tick accordingly. Do you have any immediate family, immediate relative, not including parents, in the United States? And here it is written who is your immediate relative, fiance, spouse, children, anybody. So take accordingly. Click here no. Next, spouse. Oh, sorry. Do you have any other relative in the United States? No. Next is spouse. Now you have to enter your spouse name here. Spouse date of birth. Spouse country of origin or nationality. Select India here. City of birth, New Delhi. Country is India. Spouse address, same as home address. Next, education and training. Primary occupation, select your primary occupation here. Select engineering. Now we have to write the present employer or school name. So my just only a hypothetical company name. Address is street number 56. Right here, Noida. City, Noida. Province, UP. Zip code, I don't know. Phone number of your employer, whatever it is, right? India, monthly income in local currency if employed. So monthly income you have to write in your own local currency. For India, my currency this in INR. Briefly describe your duties, whatever you are doing. Whatever you are doing, you describe your duties here, whatever it is. Then make next. Were you previously employed? Yes or no? I'll select no. Have you attended any educational institution at a secondary level or above? Yes. And you have to write again. You have to write the details. ABC school address. You have to write whatever the address of that school or engineering college is. Just write city, New Delhi, Delhi. Postal code does not apply. Course of study is B.Tech. Now date of attendance from to. You have to select some date here. Select accordingly. Okay, next additional information. Do you belong to a clan or tribe? If you belong to a clan or tribe, select yes. I will select no. Now language. Provide a list of language you speak. Language name. First is English. Add another. Hindi, French, English, German, whatever it is, you can select from here. Have you traveled to any other country, region within the last 5 years? Tick accordingly. I will select here no. Have you belonged to, contributed to, or worked for any professional, social, or charitable organization? Tick accordingly. I will select no. Do you have any specialized skill or training such as firearm, explosive, nuclear, biological, or chemical experience? I will select no. Have you served in military? No. Have you ever been a member of or been involved in a paramilitary unit? So tick accordingly. I will select here no. Now security and background. Now, do you have a communicable disease or public health significance? No. Do you have a mental or physical disorder that poses or is likely to pose a threat to the safety or welfare of yourself or others? No. Are you have are you or have you ever been a drug abuser or addict? No. Next. Have you ever been arrested, convicted? No. Have you ever violated or engaged in a conspiracy to violate any law relating to controlled substance? No. Are you coming to United States to engage in prostitution or unlawful commercial vice? No. Have you ever been involved in or do you seek to engage in money laundering? No. Have you ever committed or conspired to commit a human trafficking offense? No. Have you ever knowingly? So this all will be no for me. Select next. These are also no. Just go through this one time. And tick accordingly. For me, this all are no. Now, have you ever withheld custody of U.S. citizen child outside? No. Have you ever voted in the United States in violation of any law? No. Have you ever renounced United States citizenship for the purpose of avoiding taxation? No. Next is review. Now, these are all the details you have to review. So here there is a note. You have completed data entry for your NIV application. Before submitting the application, please review your entries below. To navigate the next section to be reviewed, click the next button on the bottom of the page. If an entry is incorrect, click on the link on the right side of the page, which will direct you to the page where you entered the data. Once you have reviewed all sections, you will be directed to sign and submit page to complete the application process. So go through the application. Next. 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 Go through all the information, security and background. Next. then sign and submit. Just go through this. Did anyone assist you in filling out this application? Yes or no? I will write here no. I certify that penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States of America that the foregoing is true and correct. Enter your passport or travel document number, whatever it is, right here, and type the code which is showing here 9R43HD. Sign and submit application. Now the passport number entered does not match the passport number that you previously entered. So I just forgot that. I will review this. Where is my passport number? I will copy this. Next. 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 Submit and sign. And write the code here 9786885. Sign and submit. Code does not match. Okay, AVSNDN. Let's try. Okay, now confirmation. You have successfully signed and submitted your application. You cannot make any change to your application at this point. Please click next confirmation to complete the application process. Confirm. Now photo will be taken at the ASC. Now this is the confirmation page which you get. Everything is written here. Now you need to take printout of this page. Now you must bring the confirmation page and the following document with your application service center. The passport. You may also provide any additional document you feel to support your case. Now your picture will be taken at the application center. Now for the visa fees, each country has different rule, so you better consult the US embassy in your country on how to pay the visa application fees and how to get the online appointment. Now, once you take printout of this DS-160 form and the other documents which I told before, and the payment confirmation page, take all these documents on the day of your visa interview. Now if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends. You can find other informative videos also in my channel, like how to apply Schengen visa tips, how to fill the Schengen visa application form online, and how to apply for UK tourist visa from India. So thanks for watching my videos.